Good day, good day. Today we'll be calculating the factory overheads cost. So anything that has factory on its name belongs to the factory overheads costs. So for example, maybe factory rent or factory foreman, factory supervisor, depreciation on factory machine, so they belong to the factory overheads. So the question says calculate the following for a year ended the 30th of June 2024 factory overheads. Okay, let's start with our calculations. So we have transactions and other financial information for the year ended 30 June. So we have total prime costs, direct labor costs doesn't belong to the factory, they don't have factory attached. Then we have salaries, but for salaries we have the factory foreman or the factory sales manager, not the factory but then the sales manager. So we have factory foreman, and I said anything that has factory belongs to the factory overhead. So factory foreman belongs to the factory overhead, so we add 66,000. Then we also have like factory indirect material purchase. So it has factory, we add it plus 30,400. Then we have insurance, they say factory, but then we have like further information here. For rent and electricity, we don't have factory, but they are telling us that rent, we have factory here, means also belongs to the factory. Then for also for water and electricity, so let's leave these three first. We'll do calculations after. Then we have like sundry factory expenses. It has factory, we add it 12,420. Then we have advertising, like there's no factory here, and advertising belongs to selling and distribution costs. And we have like depreciation on factory, it has factory on factory plant and machinery, it's 11,400. Then what do we have? We did factory rent or insurance depreciation, sundry. Then yeah, we are done. Now we are doing calculations. We have rent expense. So they say rent is allocated in proportion to the floor space occupied by the department. So the floor space in meters is called the cost driver. So it is what drives the cost of the rent. So we're allocating it according to the floor space. So we have like, to do this, we'll have to take our rent, total rent, which is like 66,900. Then we multiplied by, we want factory, remember we're calculating factory overheads, so multiplied by 2.8 over, then you add the total of this. Let's do it.